How to see how many hours you've played in Roblox. So, is this really possible that we can see how many hours we played in Roblox? Let's see. So, you could open your Roblox account using your Android phone or your iPhone. Everything is up to you. So, you have to log in your account here. Now, if we are going to tap these three lines, okay, you can see here options like marketplace, inventory, groups, friends. We have your about and profile. So let's tap this profile. What's under profile? So if you're going to scroll down here, you can only see view full profile. If you tap this one, it will take you to more information about your profile here. So let's see if we can see an option that says hours you played. So under about and under creations, you can only see currently wearing. And if you scroll down here, you can see about, okay. And then you can see here friends, collections, groups, okay, badges, something like that. So I can't see any options here that says hours you've played. Also, if we go back and try to look for other options here, for example, if I'm going to click this settings, I can only see account info, security, privacy, parental controls, billing, and so on. So if I'm going to tap this account info here, I can only see options also like my name, my birth date, something like that. And I can't see any options that says as you please. Now, if you go back and go to privacy, you can only see here communication, other settings, communication, friends, we have your default, and so on. Also account restrictions. And I think if you go to notifications, you can also see the recent activities here. Okay. So in short, I can't see any options that says hours you played because the truth is Roblox doesn't have that feature. Maybe soon, but not now. This is not to misinform you about the title, but this is to remind you and you also be aware that Roblox doesn't have that feature for now. It won't allow you to know how much hours you played on Roblox. Maybe soon, but that's all for now. Okay, so I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.